Hello and welcome back to our channel Maha Uma's World. Thank you everyone for your continued support. If you still have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you get notified whenever we make a new video. Today I am going to make donuts. For that, take a mixing bowl, add 1.5 cup all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons sugar, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, half teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon yogurt, 3 tablespoon butter, pinch of salt, 1/4 cup milk. Mix all together and make a soft dough. Now the soft dough is ready. We need to knead for 5 more minutes. Take it to the counter, apply some oil and knead well without any cracks. After kneading 5 minutes, the soft and smooth dough is ready. Again, transfer to bowl and grease with some oil. Cover the bowl and rest for 1 hour. After 1 hour, before making to start the donuts, heat the oil in a pan to fry the donuts on low flame. Now take the dough and divide into 2 portions. Keep one as a side. Then sprinkle some flour and we are going to roll the dough. As a thick circle. After rolling a thick circle, use a cookie cutter or you can use any lid and make small circles in a donut shape. Then for the inner circle, you can use any bottle cap and make a small circles. Then take out the extra dough and save for later. Now the donuts are ready to fry. Gently drop in the oil on low flame. Turn into other side. And fry until it get golden brown on both sides. After some time, you can see the donuts turned into golden brown. This is the correct stage to take it out. In same way, I am going to make some more donuts. In same way, I made some more donuts. At last, sprinkle some sugar powder on top of the donuts, or you can use chocolate sauce. Our delicious donuts are ready. Hope you all like it. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe our channel and click the bell icon.